What's up, guys? So there's a lot of questions out there about things like chargers and whatnot. It's kind of tough to say which one's the best. Um, but as far as for charging AAA's, I went on Amazon and I got this EBL AAA charger. I want to say it was like $13. You can charge 8 at a time. Nickel metal hydride and alkaline. Honestly, man, it's quick, it's easy. It's nice that you can put 8 batteries in here while you're running 4 and just start swapping them out so you have all day use. I highly recommend it. Let me know what you guys are using. Drop in the comments down below. Love to check it out. And stay tuned for the next video. Thanks, guys.